Why workplace culture matters. According to SHRM's research, business productivity and profits correlate with contented and involved employee, as many companies witness daily. This also relates to the workplace culture. When a company's culture is toxic, everyone suffers. What are the elements of a healthy workplace culture? A company that shares your values is probably one where you will be valued. When you are choosing suitable companies, look for these indicators of a thriving workplace culture. First, accountability. A good work atmosphere is shown when every employee of a company is accountable for their behavior. A balanced workplace helps people to feel free enough to own their ideas and failures. Equity. Companies that treat their staff properly usually have a healthy environment. Every position in a company has value. Giving everyone opportunities increases staff morale. Favoritism among colleagues is an indicator of a toxic workplace. Number 3, expression. When employees can express themselves, they are happier, more productive, and more focused. Employees' freedom to personalize their workplace implies office comfort. Some offices offer a casual dress code so employees can wear what they like. Number 4, communication. A productive work environment has good employee communication. Open communication between supervisor and team members boosts teamwork. Last, recognition. A healthy workplace compensates employees for their achievements. In a healthy workplace, management seeks out team members' strengths. Recognition fosters admiration and respect among employees.